so proud of you.
You give us hope, you let us dream. In our heart we can still hear the Liberty Bell ring. You give us freedom, equality. You let us live in the land of the free.
Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, America. We're so proud of you.
The Declaration of Independence was signed a long time ago, in 1776, to make our new country grow. We started out with 13 original colonies and now have 50 states. The United States of America was our brand new name. The United States of America began in 1776. The United States of America, now it's 2026. That's 250 years, 250 years. Happy birthday, America!
Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, America. We're so proud of you.
So we stand proud, hand over our heart, pledge allegiance to our flag, for unity near and far. 13 stripes and 50 stars stand for liberty and justice, one nation under God.
Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, America. We're so proud of you. Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, America. We're so proud of you.
We're so proud of you. Be sure to subscribe and press the like button below. It's easy and free. And want to have more fun learning with me? Search for these fun videos or check out my website, jackhartman.com.